Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up AWS RDS database for MySQL 8.4.4. Then we will connect from Dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. See, I have connected to AWS console. Then click on services and search for RDS. See, here we have the Aurora and RDS. Click on it. Then see in the dashboard, see here we don't have any databases. That is database instances. Click on databases, then click on create database, then select the database creation method, standard create or easy create. Okay, so if you want to set all configuration options, we have to select this one, but if you want best practice configurations, you have to select this one. Okay, I'm going with all standard create method, then select MySQL, then scroll down, then here we have to see the addition is MySQL community, then engine version. See, if you want to filter based on versions that support multi-agent DB cluster, you have to on this one. And if you want only versions that supports optimized writes, you have to select this one. I don't want either of them, so it will show the all the options. Then engine version, come down, see at the bottom, see here we have the 8.4.4. Select it. Then see here the templates. You want to enable RDS extended support, you have to select the checkbox. Okay, next see here templates, production, dev or test or pre-tier. See, for production or dev or test we have more options, but if you select pre-tier, see few options are grayed out or disabled. See here also this instance classes are also disabled, but if you select this production or dev, see this instance classes are enabled. You can select all the options. Okay, but in this video I'm going to select the pre-tier AWS RDS for this demo purpose. Okay, for pre-tier eligible RDS we have this single AG DB instance deployment only, that is one instance. Here 2 instances, 3 instances. Okay, then settings in DB identifier, provide the name for the DB MySQL 8.4.4 AWS RDS data. Then credential settings, master username is admin. If you want to provide some other username, you can provide like RDS admin or anything. Then credential management, I'm going with self-managed. We have the managed in AWS Secret Manager. This is the most secure one. Okay, so it is up to you. Then provide the password for this master username. It must satisfy these conditions. It won't allow these special characters or symbols. Okay, now in instance configuration, see here we have only burstable class for the pre-tier eligible. In this also we have only this db t3.micro or db t4.micro. So I am going with the db t4z.micro. Then storage, the allocation storage value must be between 20 gigabytes to 6 terabytes. The minimum is 20 gigabytes. Storage type, see here we can select any one of them. Okay, so I'm going with general SSD. That's why it is minimal 22. But if you select magnetic or IOPS, see the minimal is increased 100. Okay, so additional storage, if you want enable auto scaling, you can select this one. I don't want for this demo purpose. Network type IPv4, virtual private network. See, we don't have any networks in this region. That's why it is showing create new cloud, that is VPC. If there are any VPCs in this region, it will show in this drop down list. Okay, then create subnet group. See, you don't have anything, so it will create new subnet group. Public access, select as security group or firewall. Select choose the existing one, that is default, or create new one. For this AWS RDS SZ for MySQL. Then availability zone, select any one of them. RDS proxy, I am not going to select. CS certificate authority, I am going with defaults. Tags, I am not going to provide. Then authentication methods, password authentication or password and IAM, database authentication or password and Kerberos authentication. I am going with password authentication. See, for free tier, this database insights advanced is disabled, only standard is available. Okay, additional monitoring settings. See, these are the additional monitoring settings. If you want to enable enhanced monitoring, you have to select the checkbox, and if you want to enable these logs, you have to select these checkboxes. Okay. Then additional configuration, if you want to create initial database, provide the database name, then provide the default, then provide the DB parameter group, option group. Okay. If you want to enable backups, automated backups, select the checkbox. Okay. Backup retention policy, default is 1, but if you can give up to 35 days. And backup window, you can choose the window or no preference. Enable replication. If you want to enable replication in another region, you have to fill all these details for this, but I am not going to do that now. Account. Okay. Remaining options I am not going to change. Okay. And the last one is delete production. If you want to enable delete production, you have to select the checkbox. Now review these settings one more time. Okay. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on create database. See, database is creating. Close this one. This will take time. And if you want to see the credentials, see here, this is the master username and this is the master username password. Close this one and wait until the status to be changed to available or configuring. Okay. Then we will connect to this AWS RDS for MySQL 8.4.4. See, you have successfully created and status is backing up. See here, view connection details, click on it. See here, we have the same master username, password and endpoint. Okay, go to, close this one, go to this DB identifier. Then see here, in connection and security, see here we have the endpoint and this is the port number. Copy this one. Configuration, see here, we have the version, MySQL version is 8.4.4. Okay. And see here RAM information, CPU information and other information, storage etc. Go to connection, copy this endpoint. Now we are going to see how to connect this AWS RDS database for MySQL 8.4.4 from Dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. Open MySQL Workbench, click on this plus button, then the host name, provide the endpoint name, then give any name, MySQL RDS 844. Name can be, this connection name can be anything, port number 3306, username is admin. Okay, go to configuration, see, master username is admin. Then click on password, then provide the password that we have set for this admin. Okay, you can get it from this view connection, then click on this copy button, or you can also get it from click on this modify and you can reset it. Click on this one, paste it, click on OK, then click on text connection. See, click on continue anyway. See, successfully connected. Click on OK, then click on it. See, now it is connecting to MySQL 8.4.4. See, now we have successfully connected. Expand this bank database or schema tables. See, we don't have any tables. Before the creating table, select the version that we have connected. Select it and click on execute. See, we have connected to 8.4.4. Now create a table, create table. Then select these both statements and click on execute. Put semicolon, then click on it, select it and click on execute. See, it is success. Expand. Okay. Now right click on this tables and refresh all. See here we have the table. Okay. Now we will see how to connect from the Dbeaver. Open Dbeaver. Now click on this plus button, then select MySQL, then click on next. Then in place of server host, go to RDS, copy this endpoint, again come to here, paste it, then provide the existing database name, bank is there, master username, admin, then provide the password of this user. Once we provide all these details, we have to click on text connection. Okay, this is the way. Now if you want to restart, just click on action, then select reboot. If you want to stop temporarily, click on stop. If you want to delete, click on delete. And one more thing, I told you how to reset password for this master username. So click on modify. Then here we have to provide the new password. Once we provide new password, then you have to click on continue. After that, it will ask us to apply the changes immediately. This is the way to change the password of root account. Okay, go back. If you are not using this anymore, just click on delete, because charges are based on the usage. So I strongly recommend, if you are not using, delete this AWS RDS for MySQL 8.4.4 to minimize the charges. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create AWS RDS database for MySQL 8.4.4 and connected from the MySQL Workbench or Dbeaver. Okay, for more AWS or MySQL or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.